So to properly curl the right side of your head, you want to start with the iron in your right hand, thumb behind the power button, and where you have this little curve, that little lip is what you want closest to your scalp to start. So you start with the cord end of your iron down, that curve all the way in towards your head. It should look like your fingertips are pointing in towards your face, your thumb's a little bit up towards the ceiling, and then you would gently shut your hair in the iron, turn your knuckles to the back of the room and push forward, keeping your iron at a little bit of a slant. Now, common mistakes when you're curling the right side of your head are gripping your iron too hard. So when you close it, it's just barely enough for the plates to meet your hair. Never so tight that you're trying to get the plates to touch each other. So when you're grabbing your vertical section, after prepping it forward, if it's taller than the plates are tall, you're gonna be too big. The hair being twisted up or bunched up instead of fanned out and flat and spread is another common mistake. And not holding on to the end of your piece where your hair drops off the plates as you go are the common mistakes on the right hand side. And for our starting angle, we recommend a rooftop line with half of your iron making half of a rooftop and the other half making the other half. So it's cord down on the right, cord up on the left. And if you draw a line in your mirror with a lipstick or a dry erase marker to make sure that you're maintaining that angle, that really helps to make sure that you're consistent. So with a lipstick or a dry erase marker, you just start with the tip of your iron. You're gonna trace that down in a straight line. Here's where I would have my cord. And so when you're looking at yourself in the mirror, you just line up your iron with that line that you've put on your mirror, and you can maintain that angle as you go. I'm gonna grab my vertical section, prepping my hair forward, keeping it fanned out. I come from underneath my piece, gently close it, rotate my iron, line it up with that line on my mirror, push forward towards my mirror. There you have your perfect curl. Lining up your iron with that line on the mirror is definitely going to help keep consistency in your curls as you get comfortable with the technique, but common mistakes are grabbing the iron backwards where your thumb is on the side with the heat temperature lights instead of with your thumb behind the power button. Another one is coming up with the straightening side in where the thumb is in towards your head instead of your fingertips. And doing a two-handed turn. You just don't have to work that hard. You start with the curve in, you turn half a turn back is as far as you need to go and push towards your mirror.